Everybody get your roll on.
What's up, you guys? It's your boy SUPERSON, and I am back again with another video.
Yeah, that video.
And where are we? We are at Hard Park Car Meet in Elk Grove, California.
Yeah.
It was a very last minute decision. I seen the flyer, so I cleaned Star up and we headed out. I got my sidekick with me. She's all propped up and we're walking around now. Let's see what these cars looking like. Y'all see that marble? Y'all see it on the roof? And the hood. Yeah, this thing is badass. Oh, there you go. You see it? Oh, yeah. Interior all done. Here go the Hulk Camaro. He lives in Stockton. We've seen that one. This truck is super clean. I like the wheels on it. I like how they sprayed. Pretty dope. Oh, with the interior pieces also. Oh yeah, that's clean.
They wanted me to put down like 12K. I'm like, that's half of the fucking bar, bro. We'll get you a hollow one. And sure enough, it took like 30 minutes to call it. And then the lady was like, I can bump it up to like 45. I was like, car's only 24. She's like, oh, you're good. It's because car dealers, they do the big one. They kind of pull the
This thing is gorgeous. I love how he put the blue with the gold. Oh yeah. Oh, and he got sparkle. Corvette seats with the sparkle. Oh yeah. This thing is badass.
Here go a diamond in the rough. I know a ugly duckling turned into a beautiful swan. You put a lot of time and money into this, and this would be one bad build. Now, the story behind this car, if you go back to previous videos where I go to car shows, she had a black Mustang and it was tiger striped, but it was baby blue and pink. And she upgraded to a 2020. Yeah, this is badass. And it's an all girls, all ladies, I should say, car club. Most of these Mopars and Mustangs. And this is the end of the video. We walked around the car, seen everything. This may be a two-parter, but I know this is the end of this video. So hey, if you made it to the end, I want to say thank you. I appreciate you for rocking with me, and make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn on all post notifications by hitting that bell, and most importantly, thank you for taking time out of your day to watch me. I'm out. Peace.